Okay, one of many winder stairs that I've made, but usually they break apart. So I tried a different method this time. I have the upper and bottom runs of stairs included as external references. They are linked. All right, let's turn the work features off. Everything is also linked by a derive file, winder to control. And I haven't tested this beforehand, but let's see if everything works. Let's change the rise to 7.5 inches. Change the run. Oh, I don't want feet. I want inches. All right. And I want 10, 9 inches. Was that what it was before? Okay. Let's change the count, the total count. We'll change the total count to 10, and the bottom count, no, let's keep it at 12, but we'll change the bottom run of stairs to 4 or even 5. There we go. Let's save that. It's saved. It's uploaded. Let us see where this takes us. All right. It updated, but not everything is updated. We have an additional, we're going to press this button again. All right. That is pretty good, but one thing I did not change was the width of the stairs. This is the acid test. Let's check it out. Change this width to 40 inches. Change width B also to 40 inches. And while we do this, we might as well change the run again. Change it to 10 inches. Change the tread to 1.5 inches. Change the rise to 7.25 inches. And press OK. Save that. And now we're going to ruin the stairs with new parameters. Let's see. A whole bunch of things are broken down here, but they are resolving. Okay, it updated. Let's update it again. I therefore pronounce the stairs pretty robust with a very, okay, so that's a thing. I don't know why, but that's very easy to, we could just go like that and, okay, so that's a thing. But I think there should be, oh, I would have to go into S1 and edit that directly. I don't know why I did that, but that's a very small thing to fix. Let's check out the wedges under here. These are the wedges that we put the, This wedges are a little bit, they're not as nice as I would like them. Still, I'm gonna upload this video because I know I can fix that by fixing the sketch. Where are the sketches? There we go. And somehow we need to get this what happens if I delete that? All right. This should be tread plus a 0.5 millimeter. Okay, but I think they're not lining up there. Come on. There we go. Now is correct. The stairs is now proper. Let's turn everything back on or use the unisolate command. There we go. This is a pretty good stringer stairs.